One person that was super influential in my life and in the reason why I have such great faith in God and bold faith in God is my Uncle Joe Florendo. He was such a man of God, a man of faith, and this year is the 10th year anniversary of his passing, and I miss him so much. He was an awesome father figure, always joking around, always had a smile on his face. He was thoughtful, he was kind, he was caring, he was loving, he was giving, he was serving in regards to helping you. And I just remember his face always looked so kind. He was a really quiet man, but I always saw this kindness in his eyes and this gentleness on his face whenever you looked at him. And I just really appreciate his example in my life because he was always there, always faithful, and always consistent. And he was such a joker too. You could just always laugh with him, and he just loved you right where you were at and just as you are. And that's what I remember the most about him.